Welcome to the Owens Corning Insulation 101 video guide series, showing you how your home insulation project can be easy, fast, and effective. This series of videos features a full line of innovative products from an industry leader, Owens Corning, including EcoTouch pink fiberglass insulation, the Atticat expanding blow-in insulation system, and today's topic, Foamular extruded polystyrene rigid foam insulation. Let's get started. What is Foamular extruded polystyrene rigid insulation? It's a closed-cell extruded polystyrene rigid insulation panel with a thermal resistance of R5 per inch. The moisture-resistant Foamular is lightweight, making it easy to transport and handle. It can be scored and snapped, cut, or sawed with common tools. Foamular rigid insulation comes in a range of sizes, thicknesses, edge types, and compressive strengths depending on the specific product. The high moisture resistance and thermal properties coupled with high compressive strength makes Foamular a great product for basement walls and floors and as insulating sheathing for exterior walls. Interior basement walls will require Foamular C200. For basement floors, choose Foamular C300 because of its high compressive strength. And for exterior walls, it's Foamular cold board, installed as an insulating sheathing. Measure the area by multiplying the wall width by the wall height, and this will give you the total square feet. Divide this number by the area per sheet to determine the number of sheets required. For a floor project, use the width and length of the floor when calculating. Foamular C200 and C300 are 2x8 sheets, which give you 16 square feet. Cold board is in 4x8 sheets, which cover 32 square feet, or 4x9 sheets, which cover 36 square feet. Now that you have chosen the right amount of the right product, here is a brief overview of how to install it. Wanting to insulate and possibly finish your existing basement? Foamular C200 is the right product. Here are some tips and tools for installation. You will need a hammer, nails and washers, and wood studs. Straight edge, tape measure, utility knife, portable work light, work gloves, safety glasses, and caulking gun and foam adhesive. Prepare your concrete walls, ensuring that they are as even as possible. Use a hammer to knock off rough spots. Measure the height of the wall and trim the sheets as needed. Using a spot adhesive to temporarily hold the sheets in place, install vertically on the wall starting in a corner. Ensure the boards are level and then start installing vertical wood studs over the insulation, spaced at either 16 inches or 24 inches on center. Add Owens Corning EcoTouch pink fiberglass insulation to achieve your desired R value and install a 6mm polyethylene vapor barrier. Attach half-inch gypsum board to wood studs using gypsum board screws. Consider installing Foamular C300 before pouring the concrete floor of your basement. Here are some tips and tools for installation. You will need straight edge, tape measure, utility knife, portable work light, work gloves, safety glasses, and shovel and wheelbarrow. Lay 6 to 8 inches of clean coarse gravel on top of the undisturbed soil and ensure that it is level. Apply a 6mm polyethylene vapor retarder on top of the gravel and extend it 3 inches up the walls. Install the Foamular C300 panels directly on top and butt the panels together as tightly as possible. Add a 1-inch thick foam border around the perimeter of the area, ensuring it is the same height as the anticipated finished concrete slab. Pour concrete over the panels to an even and level depth of 4 to 6 inches. Foamular cold board is ideal for exterior walls. Here are some tips and tools for installation. You will need hammer, nails and washers, straight edge, tape measure, utility knife, work gloves, and safety glasses. Install the insulation panels vertically on the outside face of the exterior walls. Begin installation in a corner, and then install subsequent sheets, ensuring that the vertical shiplap joints occur on the center of the wall studs. Fasten panels to the frame with nails and washers at 6 to 8 inch centers on vertical edges of panels and 12 inches on intermediate stud supports. Tape joints using Owens Corning joint sealer tape to create a water and airtight exterior barrier. Apply the exterior cladding as soon as possible. Foamular extruded polystyrene rigid insulation from Owens Corning helps minimize heat loss and gain, thus reducing energy costs and providing great comfort in the home. Foamular also contains 20% recycled content and is GreenGuard Gold certified. Thanks for watching the Owens Corning Insulation 101 video series featuring Foamular extruded polystyrene rigid insulation. Have an insulation job to do? Remember, think big. Start with a click at owenscorning.ca for more information, product tips, and links to complete how-to installation instructional videos, and to find a dealer near you. Owens Corning Insulation Products, a great choice for home energy savings. See you next time.